Monitor stand riser with drawer, metal mesh desk organizer with dual pull-out storage drawer office supply for computer, PC, laptop, printer, notebook, iMac, black. Sturdy and durable Marbrasse monitor stand is well made of sturdy metal construction with classic black coating. Easily hold computer monitor, laptop, iMac notebook, printer up to 33 pounds. Built with non-skid feet that increases stability and keeps your devices cool, safe and damage-free. Ergonomic Design best ergonomics for head and shoulder posture and viewing.Raise your monitor by 4.7. A better healthy sitting position which helps reduce neck and back ache and relieve eye strain, enhance work efficiency. Monitor stand with 2 drawers, super easy to use, no assembly. Simply pull drawer out of the box for storing almost all of your small office supplies like pens, notebooks, smartphones, notes, paper, documents, scissors, TV remote, etc. Minimizes the messy clutter and saves your valuable desktop space. Large storage space, plenty of room for storage, simple mesh design, easy to see what is inside. Enough compartments to allow for some basic organization and keep your desk neat and tidy. Product dimensions 15.8 liters x 11.8 watts x 4.7 H. Perfect size for organizing office supplies and home accessories for a more productive and tidy environment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.